there!
Holy crap.
Are you sure you're using the right mount demount head?
The what?
This is the mount demount head, which is sometimes referred to as a head. Depending on the type of wheel you're working on, it's important to use the proper mount demount heads. Plastic heads should be used on premium finish wheels, and our metal heads on any other type of wheel. To change the heads on most rotary tire changers, first remove the bottom center bolt. Then, using an Allen wrench, loosen the 4 set screws where the head meets the hexagonal shaft. Affix the plastic head assembly to the hex shaft. Then, snug the 2 set screws with your Allen wrench. Finally, with a 16 or 17-inch wheel clamped to the changer, bring the mount head to the lip of the wheel, and then tighten the 2 set screws. If for any reason you need to replace one of your mount demount heads, contact your local Rotary distributor, or visit our Amazon store to get your Rotary genuine parts replacements. That's all for now. Make sure to join me next time on Shop Tips with Rotary Jack. And make sure to subscribe to Rotary's YouTube channel for more entertaining and informational videos.